Oral-B Glide Pro Health Original Floss Twin Pack 100 ml. Febreze CAR cleans away vehicle odors with OdorClear technology so they're gone for good. Simply attach this car air freshener to the air vent to begin cleaning your car of odors and slowly release a light, fresh scent for up to 30 days. The scent dial puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to select the perfect amount of freshness for you and your passengers. Don't give odors a ride. Eliminate them with Febreze CAR. On low and under ambient conditions. Oral-B Stages Floss, Kids Flossers Bag, 20-count bags. Flossing can be a challenge for kids. Similar to a floss pick, Stages 3 flossers are easy to use and specially designed to make flossing fun for kids. Thornton's Perio Floss 50. Thornton Periodontal FlossFor periodontal disease and other gum ailments. A special use dental floss that features a built-in ultra-stiff threader floss, an extra thick brush section to clean large spaces between teeth that are caused by gum recession. This product is useful for everyday care of periodontal disease, cleaning under bridges and around braces. Newly patented from the inventors and original manufacturers of Superfloss. Philips Sonicare HX80 1264 Air Floss Replacement Nozzles, 2-pack. Designed to work with the Philips Sonicare HX80 1102 Air Floss Rechargeable Electric Flosser, the Philips Sonicare HX80 1264 Air Floss Replacement Nozzles, 2-pack provide an easy, effective way to clean your teeth and gums. Air floss combination of air and micro droplets of water or mouth rinse travel through the nozzle to remove plaque between teeth. The slim, angled nozzle and guidance tip ensures targeted cleaning in hard to reach areas and a quick clean of your entire mouth in just 30 seconds. The nozzle guidance tip makes it easy to find the spaces between teeth and place the tip at the appropriate angle for maximum cleaning. Simply guide it along the gum line until you feel it settle between teeth. Different colored tips on each replacement nozzle in the pack make it easy to share air floss with a family member. Replace your nozzle every 6 months for best results. By Philips. Ian Portable Stainless Steel Dental Oral Floss Toothpick. Ian more convenient features. 1. Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Provides exceptional brushing experience. 2. LED oral illuminator to observe children's oral health. 3. Shock more than 16,000 times minute and cleans the teeth effectively, removes more plaque than a manual toothbrush. 4. Closed type switch on the handle, IPX7 waterproof, strong, safe, and water resistant, not easy to slide, more comfortable operation. 5. Imported DuPont bristle, very soft mini brush head, effectively protect children's oral. 6. Replace toothbrush heads and battery, easy to operate. 7.30 seconds intelligent alerts, 2 minutes auto off feature, so brush your teeth more. Scientific rationalization and care for the healthy growth of baby teeth. More effective specification. Material handle, ABS TPE bristles, DuPont bristles. Color, yellow. Vibration frequency, 16,000 VPM. Power supply, 1 AAA battery. Waterproof level, IPX7 weight 30 G. Dimension, 13.5 32.5 cm. Package include toothbrush, 1 replaceable brush head, 2 user manual, 1 pack in box. Floss Ear Holes Cleaning Line, Japan imported. Floss Ear Holes Cleaning Line. How to use. 1. Soak only the white part of the paper string into herb water. 2. When the strings gets thick, put it into the hole from the coated part of it. 3. Pass it through the hole, but only in one direction.